It's Lex! Let me tell you about the day I realized my life was being stolen in 5-minute chunks, not by some thief, but by my own endless scrolling. I saw a time-lapse video of a plant growing from a seed to a full-grown flower in 10 seconds, and it hit me. That plant used every single second of light it was given to become something more. I wasn't growing, I was just refreshing. So I deleted my biggest time-sucking app and used that reclaimed hour to finally learn the guitar chord that had always defeated me. The moment my fingers finally made the shape and a clear, clean sound rang out, I understood the real difference between what truly recharges us and what just numbs us. Now I ask one simple question. Is this nourishing me or just numbing me? Choosing a real book, a walk, or even just staring at the ceiling has become my new currency. And the return on that investment? I feel like I'm finally the one living my life, not just watching it happen on a screen. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.